Royal Dutch Shell. It's commonly known as Shell. It's a British Dutch oil and gas company headquartered in Netherlands and incorporated in United Kingdom. Sir Marcus Samuel was Land Mayor of London and the founder of Shell Transport and Trading Company. Now it was headed by Ben van Beurden. The Shell Group was created in April 1907. Now it is a global group of energy and petrochemical companies with an average of 86,000 employees in more than 70 countries. Their slogan, "Together anything is possible." It represents the team spirit of the companies. They formed together and making a difference. Their core values, honesty, integrity and respect for people, which underpin all the work they do. Their vision is to make a difference through their employees, a team of dedicated professionals who value customers, deliver on promises and contribute to sustainable development. Their vision is to safely market and distribute energy and petrochemical products while offering innovative value-added services. Their principles are based on trust, openness, teamwork and professionalism in what they do and how they conduct business. Their strategy is to strengthen their position as a leading energy company by providing oil, gas and low carbon energy as the world's largest energy changes. Shell follows unique strategic themes, core upstream themes, leading transition themes and emerging power themes. Core upstream themes. It focuses on delivery and financial performance and is expected to continue generating robust cash flow for decades to come. Leading transition themes. There are 4 market-facing businesses where Shell already have a leading position in the industry. Shell intend to extend this leadership as a cornerstone as Shell thrive the energy through energy transmission. Emerging power themes. They are focusing on creating business models to meet evolving customer demands as society transitions to meet much level of electrification. Hence, they following hybrid strategy which seeks simultaneously to achieve differentiation and low price related to the competitors. Their top competitors are Chevron, BP, Mobil, Exxon. Their competitive advantage they possess over their competitors are EV charging space, owing to its wider retail presence through which it can deploy EV charging services quickly, more profitably. Emissions from Shell's operations are 30% higher than the BP's over the last 10 years. They changed their name from Shell Oil and Gas to Shell Energy to set them aside from competition, which was a brilliant move. Shell recently invested and merged with the BG Group and changed their entire portfolio. Shell is collaborating with Udacity and digitally train their employees through artificial intelligence. This began long before coronavirus pandemic and the company continues to training this method. The digital workforce skilling platform may become the training method for the growing number of companies who need to keep their employees up in speed in the weeks and months ahead. Today it's machine learning, tomorrow who knows, Martin says. But being offered this training does make me to finish my professional career at Shell. And now, when we see the survival measure of the coronavirus pandemic, the RB analyst says that Shell have the balance sheet capacity and the ability to cut the capex to survive the current environment without a significant cut to dividend. But if the outlook was last to more than 9 to 12 months, we would expect a cut. Thank you.